Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Are you aware that you can become a resident in India irrespective of number of days? Yes. Then you need to understand one concept which is called as a deemed resident. Section 6 clause 1a. In this there are three conditions are given. If you fulfill all these three conditions, you become deemed to be resident in India and you become RNOR, resident but not orderly resident. So let's understand three conditions. Condition number 1, you must be citizen of India. Condition number 2, your income in India other than foreign source exceed 15 lakh. It's exceed 15 lakhs. Means you must earn Indian income in India above 15 lakh. Condition number 3, you are not liable to pay tax in any other country. Okay, so you are not paying tax anywhere. Then in India you will be treated as a deemed resident, and on that Indian income you are liable to pay tax, plus few foreign incomes are also liable to tax. So I hope you like this reel. Please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.